Have you ever wondered what life in North Korea is really like? Brace yourself, as we dive into the 34 terrifying rules that govern this mysterious nation. North Korea is one of the most isolated places on Earth. It is governed by strict rules that control every aspect of life. These rules can be shocking, but they reveal the harsh reality of living under a totalitarian regime. Let's explore some of the most frightening rules enforced in North Korea. Rule 1. No criticism of the government. Speaking against the regime can lead to severe punishment or imprisonment. Rule 2 involves strict censorship of media. Only state-approved content is allowed, limiting access to outside information. This ensures that citizens only hear the government's narrative. Rule 3 demands loyalty to the Kim family. Citizens must show unwavering support for the leaders, or face consequences. This rule creates a culture of fear and propaganda. Then there's the prohibition on international travel. Citizens are not allowed to leave North Korea without permission. This keeps the regime's control intact. Another chilling rule is the regulation of personal expression. Fashion choices, hairstyles, and even music are often dictated by the government. Citizens must conform to prescribed standards. Now let's take a historical turn and discuss how the building of the Egyptian pyramids reflects the power of rules and organization. Much like North Korea's strict governance, the Egyptians had to follow stringent guidelines when constructing these monumental structures. Both societies showcase the power of rules, controlling resources, labor, and even belief systems to achieve grand goals. The Egyptian pyramids stand as a testament to the strength of collective effort guided by strict adherence to rules. In summary, North Korea's 34 rules illustrate a frighteningly controlled society. Each rule serves to strengthen the regime's grip on its citizens. The comparison to the pyramid builders emphasizes the impact of rules on human achievement and organization. If you found this overview insightful, consider subscribing to our channel for more content on intriguing topics like these. Join us on our social media platforms to stay connected. Your engagement helps us continue exploring and sharing knowledge.